Welcome to Esther Equation Corner. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have a right angle triangle. So we named it A, B, and C. And we have the hypotenuse to be 4. But we are looking for the opposite and the adjacent length. For us to begin, let's remember the Pythagoras rule. Which states that the hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse, which is BC, is equal to the square of the adjacent plus square of the opposite. So from here, from the diagram, we are meant to understand that the adjacent is equal to the hypotenuse. That means AC is equal to AB. So we can replace this AC here to have BC all squared to be equal to AB all squared plus AB all squared. So from here we can have BC all squared to be equal to 2AB squared. But our BC is equal to 4. So we have 4 all squared to be equal to 2AB all squared. So the square of 4 we know is 16, which is equal to 2 times AB all squared. So from here we have 16 over 2 to be equal to AB all squared, meaning that our AB is equal to the square root of 16 over 2. So we have AB to be equal to root 16 all over root 2. So when we rationalize, we have AB to be equal to root 16 times root 2 over root 2 times root 2. So from here, we have AB to be equal to 4 root 2 over 2. So our AB is equal to 2 root 2. But let's recall that AB is equal to AC. Hence, AC is equal to 2 root 2. Thank you for watching Esther Equation Corner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions. Nice.